Hello, Chef here with yet another recipe. What do we have here? Oh, chickpeas, looking good. So chickpeas are nice, and I want to go with a high protein hummus recipe today. So in 1 can of chickpeas, there's approximately 20 grams of protein. I'm going to increase that, and we're going to make this about a 50 gram protein hummus dip. Okay, we've got some kosher salt. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil, of course. Got to have some olive oil in the hummus. We're going to put just a touch of hot sauce, just a couple of drops. There we go, like that. Spice it up a little bit. You only live once. There you go. Hot sauce is good for you. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of water because it's just going to be a little bit too thick. I'm certain of that. And we're going to put a little bit of herbs de Provence. I like the little herbs in my hummus, and we're going to blend it up. Oh yeah, looking really good. I like a nice hummus. There we go. Now you can see it's the consistency is looking good. However, we're going to be putting some extra protein in there. So what I've got here is a scoop that is 30 grams per scoop. Wow, 30 grams of pure protein. This right here is whey protein. It's the good stuff, and this is a maximum matrix blend. It's like a special type of protein. Very, very expensive stuff. So I got the protein, and of course, with that, we're going to need some more water just to make up for that dryness right there. Probably that's good right there. So let's put the cover back on, check it out. Yep, that's what I'm looking for right there. And I want it to definitely coat a spoon. Got a little tasting spoon right here. Oh yeah. Wow, that's really, really good. You get maximum protection, and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and the fingers. So it's pretty cool. And this is made in the USA. I like that. Great quality. Okay, the finished high protein hummus. There we go. I'm going to garnish this with just a little bit of lavender. I like lavender, and it's good for you. And we're going to put this in the refrigerator, and it's going to thicken up by itself as it gets a little bit colder. And that's the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Try the chef's recipes. And yeah, get cooking. Don't forget to subscribe right down there. Click that little button right there. Have a great day. Made in the USA exclusives. Stunning butcher block, made to order and shipped direct to you. Free shipping, no tax, you'll love it.